So we've gone over the chart of accounts and how that allows us to record our financial activity at a high level. But what if we want to take it further? What if we want to know how much we spent, how much of the materials that we spent was for framing or brick or drywall? That's where cost codes come in. So the cost codes really help us dig in and see exactly where our money is being spent. So we're going to go over a quick high-level overview of how the cost codes are structured. And this set is the NAHB recommended cost code structure. These do nest into the NAHB chart of accounts. So we'll go through those high-level overview. I'll talk through some of them as we go. So the 1000s are going to be permits, fees, site work, demo, utility connections, so getting any utilities set up on the site. And then we're going to go to the 2000s, which is essentially earthwork, footings, gravel, sand, waterproofing, termite protection. And then the 3000s, which is essentially foundation and framing. So framing, concrete, downspouts, gutters. And then we're going to get into rough plumbing, rough electric, HVAC, and then we're going to get to the shell in the 4000s. So roofing, masonry, windows, doors, insulation, exterior trim, shutter, siding, exterior paint, all that. And then we're going to get to the interior. So drywall, flooring, interior trim, tile, cabinets, countertops, appliances. And then we're going to get to all the finish work inside. So finish plumbing, finish electric, interior decorating. And then the 6000s is where the exterior finish out really starts. So site cleanup, landscaping, driveways, patios, sidewalks, fences. So that covers really the entire project from start to finish. So while the chart of accounts covers kind of high-level overview, the cost codes are really where we tie all of the financial activity back to the budget and tie all of that together so that we can see if we budgeted an amount and then we spent an amount, like that gets us our budget to actuals review. And that's where the cost codes really shine for financial clarity.